At the beginning, we thought that searching for a Mac would be a great idea, because there are fantastic computers to make video calls, work with Office, especially with PowerPoint, study with Notion with my own schemes. That Mac was a late 2009 21.5-inch iMac. It continues going strong after 4 years and a half, obviously with OpenCore legacy patcher, an upgrade of 8 GB of RAM, and a Kingston SSD. It made it a fast machine on Big Sur. But nothing lasts forever, and we have decided to upgrade to a late 2015 21.5-inch iMac. We decided to upgrade because it was dirt cheap. It didn't have a mouse or keyboard. A must-have, it has a metal-compatible graphics card of 1.5 GB, and it's a bit more efficient. As we can see here, it is really fast for productivity. In this case, I'm running Notion and I'm doing this video script. And does performance test almost fly. Its speakers, even with less space because of the thinner design, sound clearer than the prior iMac. The Famicom computer, also known as Famicom, was the console launched by Nintendo in Japan, that later on 2 years later. Even though I will miss my old fella, its legacy will continue with me. Thanks for my little community of subscribers. Hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos, here there are 2 videos you will like from my channel. And if possible, you can subscribe by pressing my channel's logo.